In case of finding out the LCM of the given numbers, there are two methods. One is that of the prime factors, and the another one is that of division. So in the first one, what happens is, for example, we'll look up at the first method with the example of numbers like 12, 15, and 36. In this case, what happens is we create prime factors of these. Just we can do this by prime factorization also, and mentally also we can do this if we form the habit. For example, in case of 12, we have 2 raised to the power 2 and 3, that is 4, 3. And in case of 15, it is 5 and 3. So this happens when the factors are all prime, right? The factors should be prime. And in case of 36, वैसे तो it is 6 raised to the power 2. But 6 also we can write in several other ways. So we'll focus on 9 fours हम लिख सकते हैं, which means 3 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 2. Right? ये सारे multiply करके बना रहे हैं. So it will be 9 into 4. Base should always be a prime number and 6 is not a prime number. तो इसलिए हम 6 नहीं ले रहे. So the normal way of doing this could have been dividing by 2, then again, then this 3. So जब तक हमें 1 नहीं मिल जाता as a quotient. So in this case, we'll have 2 raised to the power 2 since we have two 2's into 3, which will constitute the number 12. And in case of 15, we'll directly have 3 5's are then 5 ones. Then 36, we'll have 2 18, then again 2 9, then 3 3, then 3 1. So after practice, we can do this by this method also. Generally for the smaller numbers like 12, 15 and 36. But if the number is pretty huge and we are not sure, then we can follow the prime factorization method itself. And then we can take it up to this form. Now after arranging the numbers into this form, that is the form of base and powers, where the base are prime numbers, after this case, how will we find out the LCM? So in the case of HCF, when we need to find out the HCF, what happens is we'll take just the common numbers. For example, if we need to find out the HCF of these particular numbers, we'll take just the numbers, just the base which is common in all the three numbers. तो यानी इन 3 numbers में क्या common है? It is just 3 which is common. And 3 की हम least power लेंगे. तो least power of 3 will be 1. हम 2 नहीं लेंगे because in HCF we take the least power and the number which is common in all the 3 numbers. So now here it will be 3. The HCF will be equal to 3. But right now we are focusing on LCM. So in case of LCM, what happens is we take all the numbers and the highest value of numbers. तो इसमें ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो numbers हो वो सारे common हो. It is not necessary. So in case of finding out the LCM, 2, 3 and 5. तो पहले तो जितने भी हमें base दिख रहे हैं prime numbers, उन सबको हम एक बार लिख लेते हैं. तो 2, 3 and 5. Then we'll check the highest powers of these respective numbers. For example, 2 की highest power है 2. So we'll write here 2 raised to the power 2. Then 3 की highest power है 2. Again we'll write 3 raised to the power 2. Then 5 की जो highest power है that is 1. तो 1 ही है तो फिर we'll take 1 itself. अगर 5 raised to the power 3 भी होता किसी भी number में, for example हमारे पास कोई ऐसा number होता, मान लो 125 या कुछ भी, तो फिर हम वहाँ पे 3 लेते. तो we need to take the highest power of the particular prime number, the particular base that we are taking. These are all the bases, right? 2, 3 and 5. And these are the powers. So LCM for this will be 4 into 3 is 9 and then we have 5. So 20 and then 9, so it will be 180. So LCM of these particular numbers, that is 12, 15 and 36, will be equal to 180. Now finding out the LCM with the second method, which is the method of division. In this case, we collectively write the numbers. For example, if we take the numbers 12, 15, 60 and 54. If we take these numbers, तो इनको कैसे करना है? ये भी सिर्फ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन की तरह ही है, just that हमें साथ साथ लेके चलना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट विल टेक अप वन नंबर, जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमने एक प्राइम नंबर लिया विच इज 2. फिर जब तक भी 2 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं जो नंबर्स, हम उनको करते रहेंगे टिल द टाइम 2 से कोई भी नंबर डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल now right now we'll not focus on 5, 3 और any other prime number. पहले हम सिर्फ 2 से करते रहेंगे जब तक कि ये सारे हो नहीं जाते. After that we'll focus on the other number, that is 3, and then so on, next number 5. So 2, 6 and 15. So since 15 is not divisible by 2, it will remain untouched. So then it will be 30, and then this will be 27. Then again, there are a few numbers which are divisible by 2. So it will be 3, 15, and then 15, 27. Now there is no number which is divisible by 2, so we'll focus on the another number, that is 3. So 3 ones are 3, then 5, 9. Now again 9 is divisible by 3, so first we'll focus on 3 itself. We'll just keep on copying the other numbers. So it will be 3, then again 3 because it requires. Then the last number will be equal to 5, and then we receive all the ones that we need. So now what we'll do is we'll multiply all of these. So it will be 2 raised to the power 2, the LCM will be equal to 2 raised to the power 2, since we have two 2's, into 3 raised to the power 2, 3. Okay, we have 3 3's, so it will be 3 raised to the power 3, into 5. So it will be 27 into 5 into 4. As 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. This will be 20 into 27. So it will be 540. So 540 will be the LCM. So it will be the answer. It will be the LCM of these particular numbers. So these are the two ways of finding out the LCM of the given numbers, be it two numbers or more than two numbers. I hope you understood. Thank you.